Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Drawing apples can enhance a child's creativity and imagination. It helps in developing fine motor skills as they focus on details like shape and texture. Understanding proportions while drawing apples improves spatial awareness. Kids learn to observe and replicate real world objects, honing their observational skills. Drawing apples encourages patience and attention to detail, fostering concentration. It serves as a fun of way for kids to express themselves visually. The activity promotes hand-eye coordination, a critical skill for various tasks. Experimenting with different colors while drawing apples sparks exploration. It boosts self esteem as children see their artistic creations taking shape. Drawing apples provides an opportunity for kids to learn about shading and light. The process enhances problem solving abilities as they figure out how to represent an apple. It's a medium for developing pre writing skills through controlled hand movements. Creating various apple drawings introduces the concept of diversity and uniqueness. Kids can share their ideas and respectful activity for the children. It lays the foundation for understanding basic shapes and their combinations. Children learn about colors, improving their vocabulary and descriptive skills. Thank you so much for watching this video.